Okay, so this is the UV spectrometer, and the on-off button can be found at the bottom right-hand corner of this machine. Okay, so switch on the machine. Okay, and you need to wait for all the parameters to be okay. Okay, once they are all okay, you will get to this screen over here. Alright, to measure the UV absorbance across the entire wavelength spectrum, choose number 2. Okay, so at the bottom of the screen, press button number 2. Okay, check whether the scan range is what you want. So assuming that I want to scan a range of 1000 nanometers to 200 nanometers, what I have to do is to change scan range, which is item number 2. So press button number 2. Okay, and change to the higher wavelength. So in this case, I will enter 1000. Okay, when you're done, press enter. Okay, now I will change the bottom wavelength, which is 200 in this case. So press 200 and press enter. Okay, after you have entered the scan range, next you have to change the number of scans, which is item number 6. The usual number of scans is 3. So what I will do is I will go to button number 6. Okay, and change the number of scans to 3. When I'm done, I press the enter button. Okay, as for the number of seconds taken to scan each cycle, I will change it to 30 seconds. Okay, and press enter. Alright, and I'm done. Okay, next, what I will do is I will pick up my blank sample. Okay, and you can notice that from this cuvette there is a smooth side and a rough side. Where I'm holding will always be the rough side. Okay, and to the smooth side, I will need to take a piece of lens cleaning tissue. Okay, and clean the smooth sides. Okay, next I will open the lid of the machine. Okay, and place this cuvette into the cuvette holder, the first one that's nearer to you. Make sure that the rough side is facing you, while the smooth sides are facing the left and the right directions. Okay, put this into the cuvette holder. Close the lid. And you then will press F1 for base correction. Okay, so press F1 for base correction. This will take about 3 minutes. Okay, when the base correction is complete, okay, this screen will be shown. So open the lid of the machine, take out the blank sample, pick up your sample solution. Alright, and again remember to hold on to the rough side and using a cleansing tissue, clean the smooth side. Okay, and then with the rough side facing you and the smooth sides facing the left and the right, put this back into the cuvette holder, close the lid, and then you press the start button. Okay, when the scans are finally complete, you will see a spectrum over here. So usually we'll want to find out the wavelength at these 2 absorbance peak. So to do that, I will go to data processing and I will press F2 for that. Okay, and I will see 6 items over here. To find out what is the wavelength at the peak, I will press button number 3. Okay, so go down to button number 3 and press it. Okay, and as you can see very clearly on this table over here, they will list down the wavelength at which the absorbance peak has been found. Okay, and these are the corresponding absorbance values.